Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel CAD Lessons. Today I'm going to show you one butt weld and one V-groove weld where you can specify your weld size, and the condition of your weld sheets is that the edges for welding is not prepared. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So make sure you are in the Weld Assistant and click on Groove Weld. In the groove weld, I'll just reset to ensure everything is done from the scratch. Select the square butt, and this is the edge preparation I was talking about. In my case, you can clearly see the edges are in contact with each other for both the plates, so I am going to consider that edges are not prepared. But in case that you have already prepared the edges for welding, then you can select here prepared. In that case, if it is a butt weld, then probably you will see the gap between two plates where the weld should be filled, and if it is a V groove, then there should be a taper cut on the both ends of the plate to fill the weld. So in my case, not prepared. And how do I want my system or NX to prepare the edges for the entire length? For edges selection, that I will do, there are other options, like you can specify the limits that not the entire edge would selected for preparation, and there are more complex options. Most of the time you will be fine with the existing edges not prepared. So let's move on. For square butt, select the first phase, go to the next selections, select second phase, and if you just click OK, you will be done with the default values. But here default values are root opening 3, depth 3. For my sheet thickness, it would not be okay. Let's see the result. It would be a very small weld here. My sheet thickness is 8 millimeters, so accordingly I need root opening at least 5 millimeter. Depth would be 8 millimeters. Show result. Yeah, that's fine for me. Now once again, if you want, you can assign weld PMI to this weld as well. I'm not going to do that because we are going to see another weld here on the same sheet. Click reset once again, not the square butt. Now we are going to go for V groove. Similarly, edges not prepared, first set, middle click, second set, then the cross section, root opening. I need the root opening to be, let's see, 3 millimeters. Depth, it's okay for me. The angle you want to specify, you can change here, but for me 45 degrees is okay. If you want to just have a look how it's going to look, just click on preview and see how is it going to look here. So 3 millimeter depth is not okay for me. For 8 millimeters of sheet thickness, let's take this 8, root opening let's say 5. This is how it's going to look like. This is the root opening, angle, and the depth. So this is your V groove weld with the custom parameters if the edges are not prepared. Again, if you want to add PMI to it, you can do so by clicking on it, but I'm not going to do that. My clicking OK, my weld will be created here. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like, subscribe to my channel and share my videos to support my channel. Thank you again once more for watching the video, and enjoy your day.